So Wall Street surging today with stocks regaining much of the ground it lost in yesterday's trading session. The rally coming just one day after President Trump's attacks against Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Trump calling Powell, quote, a major loser and pressing him to cut interest rates. But the biggest shocker on Wall Street is Tesla. The electric car maker missing earnings and revenue expectations for the first quarter of 2025. In fact, Tesla reporting a 71% drop in profits while its automotive revenue fell by 20%. Joining me for more on this is ABC News' Jacqueline Lee. So, Jacqueline, this Tesla earnings report is worse than analysts anticipated. As you're reading through this here, what stands out to you?
Kayna, like you said, this is significant. Tesla profits dropping 71% in the first quarter. That is not good. You have total revenue decreasing 9% from 1 year earlier to $19.3 billion. And as you said, automotive revenue dropping 20%. This is the first signal that we are seeing since Elon Musk joined advising the Trump administration on, just President Trump in general. This is how people are responding. This is how consumers are responding. They are responding with their wallets. Again, Tesla profits dropping 71% in the first quarter. That is significant. Kayna.
Yeah, it's interesting. They're also pointing Tesla to these evolving trade policies, the impacts on global supply chain, and saying, it's not just impacting them, right? It's other automotive dealers as well. But there's no question that Tesla is a bit of a lightning rod for criticism, as you mentioned, with CEO Elon Musk having such a prominent role in Trump's White House. What is the company saying about how that might specifically be impacting the profits?
So they said, quote, uncertainty in the automotive and energy markets continues to increase as rapidly evolving trade policy adversely impacts the global supply chain and cost structure of Tesla and our peers. This dynamic, along with changing political sentiment, could have a meaningful impact on demand for our products in the near term. So think of it this way. They are acknowledging the trade war. Think of the tariffs and the impact on the automotive parts as well as automobiles in general. That is impacting Tesla in the sense that maybe they make their product in the U.S., but it's the parts that are impacted. We heard Elon talk about that earlier this year. He put that on X. But the other thing, and I want to emphasize this, changing political sentiment could have a meaningful impact on demand for our products. We saw that. We've seen that with the protests. People vandalizing the Tesla locations as well as deciding not to buy the cars. That is what is contributing to, again, 71% drop in profits. That is just so significant, Kayna. So we're really seeing this huge repudiation of Elon Musk as it relates to the Trump administration. We're seeing that play out with earnings.